Let's make Indian food that most likely doesn't cause instant diarrhea. Make rice and heat up the naan bread according to the package instructions, so that is done when the tikka masala is ready. Slice up as much chicken breast as specified on the back of the jar. Fry it in a pan until it's cooked through, then add the jar of tikka masala and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Serve with the rice and naan bread and you are done. Add some tarragon or some other green shit to the rice to make it look more fancy. Fuck easy and pretty delicious.